Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to Eben Tech Studio. Thank you very much for watching my videos on YouTube. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you'll be able to create your own song lyrics in Freeworship. So in this video tutorial, you'll be able to upload CAC hymnary, including the Pentecostal song lyrics in Freeworship. So before we begin, I would like you to click on the like button, subscribe, and then click on the notification bell to get notified of every content we put online. Thank you very much for doing that. So now let's move on. If you have got this file downloaded, the CAC Pentecostal song, it's a database that has been built for CAC Church, so you can, add to your Freeworship software. So let me repeat this. This video is for Freeworship users, for users who are using Freeworship as their presentation software in the church. So if you have got this file, open it and then drag the content to the desktop to extract, or you can click on extract to and then you select the location where you want to extract the content to, and then you click on OK. So I've already done that. I'm not going to do that again. So I click on cancel and then I close the window. So this is the folder containing the database for all the songs. So this song is actually CAC Hymary. All songs in their Twi hymns, and then including Pentecostal songs, which are also charismatic, and then our local songs that we sing here in Ghana. Some are foreign songs, and then English and other Twi songs too are included. So this database is ideal for every church worship and praise time. So let's move on. So you select everything and then you right click, you choose copy, or you use Ctrl+C, and then you open up your Freeworship software. You come to tools and then you choose manage database. So if you already have songs in your Freeworship software, no problem. When you add this database to it, it will be appended. So you have your old one and then your new one in there as well. Now click on open in Explorer. For my own, I have no songs here, so I'm just setting up afresh on this PC. So what I do is that I click on open in Explorer and then I open up the songs folder. I right click in there and I choose paste, so I use Ctrl+V. So my files will be pasted here. So all my song or this database will be in this folder. All right, so now it's done copying, but I need to refresh this one to see if the database have been copied into this location. So it's in there. Let me just close it and then close this one too. So now when you are done with that, come to tools and then you click on reload database. So once your database has been reloaded, you can search for your song lyrics. So if you want to search for a CAC hymnary, CAC song hymn number 10, you use the prefix CAC and then you enter 10 and then you have your lyrics there. Double click on it and then all the verses will be loaded into your preview pane over here. So I have it there. I double click on the content at the preview side just to move it to the live show, and then I switch between the verses to move to show the verse in the live view. So I double click and then if I want to search for another song, CAC 1, so that is the hymn number 1. So you can also use this as apply to move on to the next verse. Okay, so one thing about Freeworship is that the current verse, let me first go to my projector. So my projector is being displayed here, and then so first of all, let me say this. If you are using Freeworship, whether Bible, projecting Bible or songs, one thing about it is that the moment you double click to move a content to the live screen, it automatically selects the next to be projected, the next content to be projected, and that one is That is one of the features I like about it. So you just have to use the enter key to be moving in the verses. Okay, so that is it. Now let's search for other charismatic songs which are not in hymn books, but they are the common Ghanaian song, Pentecostals, and then local or charismatic song we use for our praise and worship time in our churches. So let's look out for Dana Say. So you can search Dana Say and then you double click to go live. So there are many of the songs. So Aseda will show any song which contains Aseda will be populated over here or bring up a suggestion. So these are some of the songs we have in there. Now, what if you have a song which has not been added to this database, or you have any song you want to add to this database? You want to create a new song. So click on Tools and then choose Create Song, and then come to Title. Give your song a title, and then you add your lyrics. If your song is in verses, enter your song, enter the text in your song or lyrics, and then hit the enter key twice. If you want to move to verse 2, then just enter verse 2. As soon as you enter verse, it will automatically add a 2 to it, because the first one is the first verse. So let's move on. Type the next lyrics. The same applies to verse 3. You do same, and then if it is chorus, you spell the word chorus. It will give it a color code of blue just to make it easy for you to present. And then when you are done, you click on save. So I'm not going to add any song to this database because my song contain or my database has most of the songs we sing in our churches. So that is it. This is how you'll be able to add your own song lyrics to an existing database that you have, and then how you'll be able to project songs. So now let me just remind you of something. If this database has been organized in verses, choruses, and then refrains, so it makes it easy for the presenter to use the database. So you can contact, or if you have a comment from the screen, you can contact any of the numbers and the email, and then get in touch for the database, or if you have any other questions too, you can let me know. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay blessed.